Mr. Viking
Where's John? Oh, that's a good one. That'd be a good. Don't throw it at John. He's already too cold. Okay. Come on, John. Get in the movie. I'm taking a movie. And inside, nice and warm, is Mr. Bean, who's still trying to get fed for the third time today. Where are you, Beansy? Go look outside. Go watch everybody. Look at Beansy. Beansy. Is it cold out? Smelling the snow? Yeah. Glad we're inside warm, right, Beansy?